It's hard to believe, but summer break is almost over.
And it's time to get ready for a new school year.
Hi, I'm Parker Littlefield.
And I'm Ava Berryhill. We're here to tell you about our amazing elementary schools in the Cabot School District.
First, we'd like to introduce to you to our wonderful principals.
Central Elementary Administrators Bethany Hill and Amanda Picard.
Eastside Elementary Administrators Jill Fletcher and Carol Skippa.
Magnus Creek Elementary Administrators Kelly Bankston and Kelly Riggs.
Mountain Springs Elementary Administrators Mandy Watkins and Tori Harrison.
Northside Elementary Administrators Susie Kelly and my mom, Miriam Berryhill.
Southside Elementary Administrators Stacy Allen and Melissa Furry.
Stagecoach Elementary Administrators Pam Wilson and Haley Beaver.
Ward Central Elementary Administrators Andy Sullivan, Kim Griffin, and Frankie Glover.
Westside Elementary Administrators Sherry Jennings and Michelle Atherton.
Cabot Learning Academy Administrator Joanne Blaylock.
Our principals are so excited to meet you and get another great year started.
We're excited too. Postcards from your child's teacher will be mailed out early August.
Open house will be Thursday, August 9th from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. The time you should be there depends on your last name.
A through G is from 5 o'clock to 5:30 p.m. H through M is from 5:30 to 6 o'clock p.m. N through S is from 6 o'clock to 6:30 p.m. And T through Z is from 6:30 to 7 o'clock p.m.
Parents, don't worry about buying supplies. There's a $25 supply fee that includes a t-shirt. The fee can be paid at open house or the first week of school by cash or check.
You can also pay online. The online payment store can be found on your school's website. The link is also on the district website under Resources for Parents.
Want to know about buses or car rider lines? All of that's available at open house too. You can also go to the district website, cabotschools.org, and click on the bus stop icon at the top of the page.
What about lunch? During the open house, you can put money in your child's account to pay for breakfast and lunch. Or you can do it online. Just look for the Easy School Pay under the Quick Links section on each school's website.
Also during open house, you can fill out forms for free and reduced price meals. Or you can apply online by going to the district's website.
All of this information can also be found on our awesome Cabot School District app. Don't forget to download it. It's free and it has the latest school news. Now remember, the first day of school is Monday, August 13th. Doors open at 7:30 a.m. The first bell rings at 7:50 and the tardy bell rings at 8 o'clock. Don't be late. School dismisses every day at 3:20 p.m.
And this is very important. If you have a child who will be in kindergarten, is a new student, or a returning student, you must register them online. Click on the student registration button on the top of the district homepage.
For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
We are so excited for the new school year.
Have a great day.
Hi, my name is Piper Mobbs.
And my name is Amarius Grinner.
We are two of the awesome middle school students in Cabot.
And we're so excited to get back to school.
The principals at Middle School South are Casey Hanna, Amy Morrow, and Hannah Sullivan.
The principals at Middle School North are Dawn Peoples, Terry Duncan, and Casey Hill.
Middle school is an amazing 2 years of learning, fun, friends, and awesome school activities such as Space Camp, Rockin' at the Hop, Track and Field, and so much more.
Postcards will be sent home early August with your team's assignments.
Open house for 5th graders will be August 7th from 4:30 to 6 p.m. for teams 5-1, 5-2, and 5-3, and 6 to 7:30 p.m. for teams 5-4, 5-5, and 5-6.
Open house for 6th graders will be August 9th from 4:30 to 6 p.m. for teams 6-1, 6-2, and 6-3, and 6 o'clock to 7:30 p.m. for teams 6-4 and 6-5.
This will be a great opportunity for parents to come and learn more about middle school, their child's teachers, and other important information.
During open house, parents can put money in your student's account to pay for breakfast and lunch, or you can do it online. Just look for Easy School Pay on each school's website.
Also, during open house, you can fill out forms for free and reduced price meals, or you can apply online or by going to the district's website.
Each student will be asked to pay a one-time supply fee of $25. It can be paid at open house or online. Just click on the online payment store link on your school's website. It can be found on the district website under resources for parents.
In addition to the supply fee, students are asked to bring a backpack, pencils, paper, and a clear drinking bottle if desired.
And please remember, if your student currently owes any fines such as library or lunch charges, these can be taken care of during open house in your school's office.
And this is very important. If you have a new student or a returning student, you must register them online.
Click on the student registration button on the top of the district homepage. For call information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
We look forward to a great school year. We are so lucky to attend Cabot Public Schools, the best schools anywhere.
We just know that this is going to be a wonderful school year. See you soon!
Hi, I'm Melissa Delapaz from Junior High North.
And I'm Landon Evans from Junior High South. We would like to extend a Big Panther welcome from the best junior high schools around.
And our junior highs could not be the best around without our caring and knowledgeable leaders.
Our principals at Junior High South are Dr. John West, Mandy Carmichael, and Matt Sheets.
Principals at Junior High North are Charlotte Sandage, Amy Butler, and Mike Nash.
Junior high is a transition time preparing students for high school. We have superior academic classes with teachers that not only care about our success in the classroom, but who also take time to care about us as individuals.
Junior High South and North also have a wide variety of clubs that students can get involved in, such as Student Council, Quiz Bowl, Archery, and National Junior Honor Society, just to name a few.
And for those students who are athletically inclined, both of our junior highs offer a wide variety of sports like football, track, basketball, volleyball, cross country, dance, and cheer.
We also offer incredibly fun and exciting extracurricular activities like band, forensics, art, and choir. You will definitely find something to fit your interests and personality in our Cabot Junior High schools.
Now for some information that you will find helpful as the 2018-2019 school year kicks off. The first day of school is Monday, August 13th.
And we can't begin the first day of school without knowing our class schedule, so scheduled pickup will be Thursday, August 2nd from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
For parents and students who would like an opportunity to meet teachers and visit our campuses before the school year begins, open house for both junior high campuses will take place on Thursday, August 9th from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m.
Meal prices for the 2018-2019 school year are the same as last year. Breakfast is $1.25 and lunch is $2.60.
You may apply online for free and reduced price meals or pick up a paper application form at open house and schedule pickup day. More information can be found on our district website, cabotschools.org.
And remember, if you currently owe a fine from last year like a library fine or lunch charges, these must be paid before you can pick up your class schedule.
These fines can be taken care of on scheduled pickup day in your school's office.
And this is very important. If you have a new student or a returning student, you must register them online.
Click on the student registration button on the top of district homepage. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
Once again, Landon and I would like to welcome you to the best junior high schools around.
We hope you have not only a successful academic school year, but we hope you get involved in your school and make this a year to remember.
Hi, I'm Corey Lynn Jennings.
And I'm Kendall Jennings.
Yes, you're seeing double, and we're here to tell you how the Cabot Freshman Academy is twice the fun. We just graduated from CFA, and we know exactly what you'll experience. The new school year is about to begin, and we'd like to introduce you to your awesome principals. Principal Anna Davis and assistant principals Kevin Floyd and Riley Jones. The Freshman Academy is home to about 800 students and is solely dedicated to 9th graders. It serves as a transitional program, providing all incoming freshmen a foundation for academic success and graduation. There is an incredible energy at the Freshman Academy. It's felt throughout the building in every student, teacher, staff member, and program. All of this energy is focused on one thing: helping students find their current and future success. Something new that we started at the Freshman Academy last year is Commitment to Graduate, or C2G. C2G is a program designed to provide students with the extra help and support they may need in math, science, social studies, and English. Every day, students are given a 40-minute block of time to meet with their teachers for extra help or to make up work. Students can also use this time independently as an incentive. Now, here's some helpful information as we get ready to kick off the new school year. Schedule pickup is August 2nd from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. During this time, students will also receive their supply list from their teachers. Our open house is August 16th from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. If a student drives a vehicle, they must purchase a parking pass in the office. Remember, if you have outstanding lunch charges or have incurred fees from your previous school, these must be paid prior to picking up your new schedule. Meal prices for the 2018-2019 school year are the same as last year. Breakfast is $1.25 and lunch is $2.60. You may apply online for free and reduced price meals or pick up a paper application form at open house and schedule pickup day. More information can be found on our district website, cabotschools.org. And this is very important. If you have a new student or a returning student, you must register them online. Click on the student registration button on the top of the district homepage. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363. Graduation starts here, and the staff is looking forward to another very successful school year.
Hi, I'm Amesy Moran.
And I'm Jordan Moore. Welcome back to a new school year. We hope that you had a great summer. We have some important information to share. Our principal at Cabot High School is Henry Hawkins. Assistant principals are Charlie Donham, Nicole Gatewood, Elena Graham, Adam Kaler, and Brad Tarvin.
ACE ALE principal is Michelle Evans, and assistant principal is Randy Granderson. ACE North principal is Georgia Chastain, and assistant principal is John Shiren.
If you're a sophomore or a new student at Cabot High School, there will be an orientation meeting at the Fine Arts Auditorium on Sunday, July 22nd at 2:30 p.m. and on Tuesday, July 31st at 6 o'clock p.m.
Cabot High School's back-to-school kickoff week is right around the corner. We are doing things a little different this year to make it easier for you. This year, students will access their schedules online. Computer access will be available at CHS for anyone who wishes to use it.
Online access to schedules will be ready on the following dates. Seniors can access their schedules online starting Tuesday, July 31st, beginning at 7 o'clock a.m. If seniors are taking concurrent classes, they are encouraged to stop by the Counseling Center on Tuesday to pay for these classes.
If you're a junior, you can access your schedule online on Wednesday, August 1st, beginning at 7 a.m. Sophomores can access their schedules online as well on Thursday, August 2nd. August 2nd is also Sophomore Preview Day, and students are welcome to tour the campus.
Cabot High School is open during our back-to-school kickoff week. Students are encouraged to stop by and speak with their counselor if they have any questions or need assistance with their schedules. Students can pick up textbooks and have their student ID badges made in the Media Center. Any outstanding fines can be paid on this date as well.
If you are parking on campus this year, you can also buy your parking pass by the Grand Staircase. Parking passes are $25. Please note after August 10th, they increased to $30. Make sure you have proof of registration, a copy of your insurance card, and a copy of your driver's license when purchasing your parking pass.
Open house for CHS and ACE North will be held on Tuesday, August 14th from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Open house for ACE will be Thursday, August 16th from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m.
Scheduled pickup for ACE and ACE North will be held at each of their buildings on August 2nd from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m.
Parking passes for ACE and ALE are $10. Parking passes for ACE North are the same as Cabot High School.
Meal prices for the 2018-2019 school year are the same as last year. breakfast $1.25, and lunch $2.60. You may apply online for free and reduced price meals, or pick up a paper application form at open house and schedule pickup day. More information can be found on our district website, cabotschools.org.
And this is very important. If you have a new student or a returning student, you must register them online. Click on the student registration button on the top of the district homepage. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
We hope you have a great school year. Remember to follow @Cabot High and @Cabot_Ace on Twitter.